I love food very much. It makes me happy. Repeat. I love food very much. It makes me happy. Today, in just a few minutes, you're going to learn a simple technique that thousands of people use to speak clear, natural, and confident English, even though they were never native speakers. Hello, friends. I'm John. Welcome to Talk Anything. And listen, no matter which country you live in, no matter what your accent sounds like, none of that matters. You don't need to be a native speaker. If you follow this video till the end, I promise you, your pronunciation will sound clearer, smoother, and you'll even hear it yourself. Wow, I actually sound like a native speaker now. Today, we're doing shadowing practice. It's super simple. I'll say one line, and you'll repeat that line right after me, with the same tone, the same rhythm, the same feeling. No grammar pressure, no textbooks. Just listen, copy me, and let English flow out naturally. Ready? Let's begin. From now on, repeat after me loud and confident. Every morning, eat breakfast at 7:30. Repeat. Every morning, eat breakfast at 7:30. I always eat eggs and bread with hot tea. Repeat. I always eat eggs and bread with hot tea. My mother cooks rice and fish for lunch every day. Repeat. My mother cooks rice and fish for lunch every day. I drink 1 glass of water before every meal. Repeat. I drink 1 glass of water before every meal. I eat slowly and chew well. It helps my stomach. Repeat. I eat slowly and chew well. It helps my stomach. Good food is good mood every single day. Repeat. Good food is good mood every single day. Your food voice is so warm and yummy already. Every word tastes sweet. Keep this gentle, happy rhythm. You are starting perfectly. Dinner time is my favorite. We eat together always. Repeat. Dinner time is my favorite. We eat together always. We have chicken curry with rice and salad. Repeat. We have chicken curry with rice and salad. I always take second helping because it is delicious. Repeat. I always take second helping because it is delicious. My sister loves sweets. She eats dessert first. Repeat. My sister loves sweets. She eats dessert first. We talk and laugh while we eat dinner. Repeat. We talk and laugh while we eat dinner. After dinner, I help wash plates. It is quick. Repeat. After dinner, I help wash plates. It is quick. Family food time is best time every night. Repeat. Family food time is best time every night. Your dinner voice feels like home tonight, full of love and taste. Every sentence is delicious. I am so proud of you. My grandmother makes the best cake in the world. Repeat. My grandmother makes the best cake in the world. My father loves spicy food. He adds extra chili. Repeat. My father loves spicy food. He adds extra chili. My friend eats only vegetables. He is vegetarian. Repeat. My friend eats only vegetables. He is vegetarian. On Sunday, we eat biryani with yogurt and salad. Repeat. On Sunday, we eat biryani with yogurt and salad. I like mango in summer. It is sweet and cold. Repeat. I like mango in summer. It is sweet and cold. Food brings people together, always and forever. Repeat. Food brings people together, always and forever. Sharing food is sharing love, every single bite. Repeat. Sharing food is sharing love, every single bite. You speak about food with such joy and warmth. Your voice makes me hungry for love. Keep this tasty energy. I used to eat fast food, now I cook at home. Repeat. I used to eat fast food, now I cook at home. I didn't used to eat vegetables, now I love them. Repeat. I didn't used to eat vegetables, now I love them. I used to skip breakfast, now I never skip it. Repeat. I used to skip breakfast, now I never skip it. I started eating fruit every day, my skin is better. Repeat. I started eating fruit every day, my skin is better. I stopped sweet drinks, now drink only water. Repeat. I stopped sweet drinks, now drink only water. Healthy food makes healthy body and happy heart. Repeat. Healthy food makes healthy body and happy heart. Food changes everything when we choose with love. Repeat. Food changes everything when we choose with love. Your food change story tastes so good. Every word feels fresh and true. Your English is delicious. You are wonderful. What is your favorite food? Please tell me slowly. Repeat. What is your favorite food? Please tell me slowly. I love biryani and ice cream. Both are my favorite. Repeat. I love biryani and ice cream. Both are my favorite. Do you like spicy food or sweet food more? Repeat. Do you like spicy food or sweet food more? I like a little spicy and very sweet dessert. Repeat. I like a little spicy and very sweet dessert. What do you eat for breakfast every morning? Repeat. What do you eat for breakfast every morning? I eat bread and egg with milk or tea. Repeat. I eat bread and egg with milk or tea. That sounds yummy. Food talk is happy talk. Repeat. That sounds yummy. Food talk is happy talk. Your food questions feel like real kitchen talk. So warm and easy. Your English tastes perfect. Keep this lovely way. I'm learning to cook simple food every weekend. Repeat. I'm learning to cook simple food every weekend. Cooking is fun when I add love inside. Repeat. Cooking is fun when I add love inside. I cut vegetables slowly and smell the fresh taste. Repeat. I cut vegetables slowly and smell the fresh taste. Home food is the best food, always and forever. Repeat. Home food is the best food, always and forever. I eat with family, it makes food more tasty. Repeat. I eat with family, it makes food more tasty. Good food and good people make the perfect meal. Repeat. Good food and good people make the perfect meal. Love is the secret ingredient in every dish. Repeat. Love is the secret ingredient in every dish. Your cooking voice smells so good, you make food feel like love. Keep this delicious heart. My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet and juicy. Repeat. My favorite fruit is mango. It is sweet and juicy. My favorite dessert is ice cream with chocolate topping. Repeat. My favorite dessert is ice cream with chocolate topping. What is your favorite sweet? Can you tell me? Repeat. What is your favorite sweet? Can you tell me? I love rosagala and cake. Both make me smile. Repeat. I love rosagala and cake. Both make me smile. That is perfect. Sweet food makes sweet life. Repeat. That is perfect. Sweet food makes sweet life. We eat to live, but good food makes living happy. Repeat. We eat to live, but good food makes living happy. Food is love on a plate, every single day. Repeat. Food is love on a plate, every single day. You speak food with pure happiness. Your words taste like home. This is the sweetest English. Keep this joy forever. Let's enjoy food every day with slow, happy bites. Repeat. Let's enjoy food every day with slow, happy bites. Every day eat one new fruit or one new vegetable. Repeat. Every day eat one new fruit or one new vegetable. Just one new taste, very small, but every day. Repeat. Just one new taste, very small, but every day. After 1 month, you will love many new foods. Repeat. After 1 month, you will love many new foods. Eat colorful food. It makes body and heart colorful. Repeat. Eat colorful food. It makes body and heart colorful. Food is medicine when we eat with love. Repeat. Food is medicine when we eat with love. Thank you for food. Say it before every meal. Repeat. Thank you for food. Say it before every meal. Your food voice feels like a warm kitchen today. So loving and tasty. You make eating feel special. Keep this delicious magic. Food is not only taste, it is love and memory. Repeat. Food is not only taste, it is love and memory. Mother's food is always special. No one can copy. Repeat. Mother's food is always special. No one can copy. Every bite of home food brings smile to heart. Repeat. Every bite of home food brings smile to heart. We eat together, we grow together in love. Repeat. We eat together, we grow together in love. Good food makes good days, simple and true. Repeat. Good food makes good days, simple and true. Share your food. Share your happiness always. Repeat. Share your food. Share your happiness always. Food connects hearts more than words sometimes. Repeat. Food connects hearts more than words sometimes. Your food words taste like mother's cooking, full of love and warmth. Your English is pure, delicious. Never stop this sweet journey. Today, we practiced food and eating English slowly and happily. Repeat. Today, we practiced food and eating English slowly and happily. You spoke every line with the tastiest happy voice. Repeat. You spoke every line with the tastiest happy voice. Your English sounds warm, full of love and flavor now. Repeat. Your English sounds warm, full of love and flavor now. Keep this daily food practice. It makes your English yummy. Repeat. Keep this daily food practice. It makes your English yummy. I am so proud of you for finishing all 10 parts today. Repeat. I am so proud of you for finishing all 10 parts today. Your heart is full of food, love, and English love too. Repeat. Your heart is full of food, love, and English love too. See you tomorrow, same time, my tasty friend. Repeat. See you tomorrow, same time, my tasty friend. You did it perfectly. Your voice is pure, delicious. Food English lives in your heart now. Eat well. You are loved. Congratulations.